Yeah, some because they're like picking up the ones came in. All right, been a pretty chill day here in Manila so far. Went on a little bit of an adventure with Mike, one of the owners of the hostel. I don't know, went to some property he had to go inspect, and I just went along, me and Ian, another guy at the hostel, and yeah, that was good. Went along, got to see another part of Manila that I hadn't been to before. Went and had a good lunch as well. I'll pop up a photo somewhere here. And yeah, just kind of ran some errands today, got laundry going, got money, all that kind of stuff. Going to pick up the laundry right now, actually. So yeah, gonna grab that, get back to the hostel, and then yeah, just hang out for the evening. Nothing too crazy, but figured I'd give a little update. All right, laundry has been secured. It was 175 pesos for just drop-off service, wash, dry, fold, which I could have saved a little bit of money without having them fold it, since I'm gonna have to repack it in my bag anyways, but that's okay. It's cheap enough that I didn't care. So 175 pesos, and I have some clean clothes, which is very much needed because it's my first time doing laundry, and I've been traveling about 2 weeks so far, so glad to finally get it done. All right, sticking to the routine here in Manila, headed out to Galvani's gym. Gotta go get a quick little workout in. It's about 8 o'clock right now. Gonna go hit the gym for, I don't know, 40 minutes, maybe an hour, then get some dinner and head back to the hostel. During my first day here in Manila, I had my boy Rody to hit the gym with, but he's not here anymore, so having to hit it solo now, but that's okay. I got to stick to the grind either way. It's like a maybe 7-minute walk from the hostel, which is kind of nice. Walk a few minutes before you get there to get the legs warmed up, and then when you get there, you're just ready to hit it. So yeah, the gym's just up ahead. Let's get to it. All right, just making my way out of the gym here. Had a good little session. I'm not doing anything too crazy because I haven't been in the gym for a long time. I've been out of the gym, out of working out for a very long time. So just taking it easy. Did about 45 minutes. I can't be overly particular about what exercises I do because it's a pretty small gym and it gets very busy. So like today I just did some core work, some lightweight shoulder work with dumbbells, leg press, and lateral pull downs. I wanted to get in some deadlifts, but the bar was kind of busy the whole time, so no such luck there, but it's all right. Making my way back to the hostel now. Gonna go take a shower, get some food, and wrap up my evening. Well, it's about 10:30 right now, and I'm headed out to go find a snack. Bert, one of the guys that works at the hostel, is a homie, and he was making himself some nachos and let me have some, but still kind of hungry, so I'm gonna go find something else. Well, it's kind of late, so most things are closed, and I didn't want to walk too far, so 7-Eleven hot dog it is. Can't say it's what I headed out here thinking I was gonna get, but I remember there's a 7-Eleven nearby, so, you know, gotta take what you can get. Not gonna lie, this thing kind of slaps. You can never go wrong with gas station food. Making my way to a coffee shop right now. I'm in this like financial sort of district. I'm headed to Yardstick Coffee. I'm gonna go hang out there for a while on my computer, do some editing. All right, successful stop here at Yardstick Coffee. I gotta say that was one of the best dang drinks I've ever had. I got their like signature sea salt latte and it was fire. So definitely recommend Yardstick Coffee if you're ever in the area. Making my way back to the hostel now. It's about a 1 mile or 3/4 mile walk back there. It's not too bad. There's one big highway crossing that's pretty annoying, but aside from that, not too bad. It only takes about 15-20 minutes. All right, made it across my least favorite highway crossing a little bit quicker than usual just now. I hit it at the right time and was able to get right across, but it gets pretty hectic at this crossing sometimes, so I still have one more street to cross. It's kind of busy, but the worst part I got through already, so that's nice because sometimes you get stuck there for, I don't know, longer than I would like.